Hey everyone, I need an iPhone battery replacement. Could I fix it, do it myself with no repair experience? What do you think? Stick around to see if I succeed or fail miserably.
For this new year, I'm trying to get myself to do new things and try new things. And as for this month, I'm going to try something that I've never done before, that I'm a bit nervous about. I'm going to try to change the battery out for my old iPhone. It's been hanging around for a while, about a year, and I haven't really used it before, or I haven't used it since then. There's a little crack here. Uh, it's part of the, I think it's called a bezel plate or something like that. I'm not gonna try and fix that, but the battery of this phone has been dying and it just won't take a charge. So I've never fixed anything in my life before. I'm a bit nervous, but from seeing a lot of videos and online, it seems like it's not too difficult, but it takes a lot of attention and care. The videos that I've been watching are for the iFIXIT battery replacement kit. I got it from my iPhone5, and they recommend that you have some sort of a metallic or not a magnetic board to hold your screws so they don't you don't lose them and you keep them in the right place. So I just have this magnetic thing from a donation of a car. I just got it from Fry's today for $2.63. So I'm gonna give it a try. It's kind of fun and nervous at the same time. I've been wanting to try it, so I'm gonna try it. Instead of thinking about it and not doing it, I'm gonna try and how do you open this box? I can't believe I can't even open this box. Okay, how does this box? Okay, duh. Okay. So it comes with the battery. Liberation kit, I guess. These are like extra screws. How to calibrate the battery. Drain below 10%, then charge uninterrupted to 100%. Okay. And then it comes with these 3 tools. Okay. Let's see. I've already turned off my phone completely, and I'm thinking I should take off this clear cover because it's gonna require this thing to be on top of that. I don't want to be having it pulling on this cover instead of the phone itself. So okay, and it just says, I think, to you have to unscrew those 2 tiny screws from here first. So this is the smaller one, and it seems to fit. So the next step is to they say to put this as closest to the power button as possible. So Make sure the suction is good. And then lift. Oops. Okay, that didn't work. Sorry, I'm concentrating, so as you can tell, this is not easy. At least for me, anyways. Oh, wow, that was easy. Okay, okay. Switch. They say you don't want to crack it up too fast, otherwise. Ooh, yay, voila, it's open. Okay, so excited. Ooh, excited and scared at the same time. Okay, next they said not to lift this piece more than 90 degrees out. So I think the first thing they said was to disconnect the battery. So these two screws hold the battery down, and I'm not sure which, let's see, which of these. I think it's this screw here. Sorry, I don't know the name of these tools, so I'm just matching the shape of the screw with these tools. And so they said to unscrew these two, so I'm going to do that, and then unplug the battery, and then I'm going to try to unplug the unscrew these so I can get this plate off, and it'll be easier for me to work with the battery. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm gonna try to put these in the correct location. So here's one. Here's another one. And then I think this thing just comes off, I think. Here we go. Okay. So that's the locations. I make sure the screws are matching. So when I put it back, I know which one's which. And I think they said this is the connector. Kind of nervous about this part because, oh, okay, that's not so bad. Okay, next part is these two screws. There's three screws in here, and I know these are 3 different sizes, so I must keep them in the same order as well. I'm gonna take this one out. One here. One here. Oh, that just popped out by itself. That's kind of scary. Okay. Supposedly there's like a little hook and you're supposed to move it out a little bit before it can come out because there's like a little latch in there. Okay, how does this come? Okay, here we go. Okay, that's the shape and match the holes. And there's like 3 connectors in here. I don't know any of the names, so sorry. I'm just trying to do this. Hey, okay, where's this thing connected to? What? Okay, 1. Okay, 2. Okay, where's the third one? Where's the third one? 3. Voila! I'm so excited. It's out. Okay. I had originally dropped this in the toilet. Yes, or dropped it in some water. That sounds better, huh? And it's kind of like dirty, so I'm gonna, not dirty, but maybe like not from the toilet, but from maybe over time, there's like stuff collected on here. So I'm gonna grab myself a little toothbrush to clean it up. I've dropped my phone so many times. There's like a little crack here, you can see on this white piece. I think it's called bezel plate or something. I'm not sure. It's like a plastic plate that goes all the way around. Okay, that's clean. Okay, now for the hard part. That's disconnected. In all the videos they said you can take this strip here and pull, and if you're lucky it can come out really quickly. If not, you have to try to heat it up on this side with a blow dryer to warm so it loosens up the glue or the adhesive, and then you can easily take this out. I'm really nervous about this part, so hopefully, and you're not supposed to like pry from this side because there's sensitive stuff around. You can do it from here or here on this side, so I don't know. Okay, here we go. Let's try pulling it and see if it works. Oh, no, craps. Okay, I just broke it. Oh, crap. Okay. Wow, okay. I guess you just have to be mean and say, oh, I can do it. You have to get out. Okay, that was not as hard as I thought. Okay, I just kind of like, come out. And it came out. Okay. Oh, the adhesive is here, here, and here. Not really this piece. Okay. Now that's out. Happy, happy. Okay, here we go. Here's the battery. The old battery is like this. And the new battery is like this. Okay. So if I put it in here, it should line up right there. Okay, there's no adhesive. In the other video, there were like extra adhesive, but I guess there's none in here. Okay. Alright. Click, click. I'm trying to line this up so it fits back into the spot. This thing is pushing it out a little bit. Okay, here. Okay. Okay. So put it back in, make sure it's snug inside. Okay. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way yet. I'm gonna put this one in and then try to tighten it, both of them. This is not to tighten too much, so I'm not gonna over tighten too much. Okay, so battery's back in. Time for putting this front piece back on. Okay, so there's three parts that needs to go back. This is not what I like. So this one first goes in, this long piece. Oh, you're supposed to kind of wedge this in, line it up. But seems to be in. Okay, looks like it's in, I think. Just hope it works. I saw people pressing and pressing down, so trying it myself. Okay, here's the second one. Oh, pop, that's good. But I don't know about the other one. I didn't hear pop on that other one. Should I check that one? Okay, let's see. Supposedly after you kind of like have everything connected, you can try it and see if it works. If it works, then okay, pop. That's 2 pops. Okay, let's see if I can power this on. Okay, how do you power on this phone? Put it down, put it down, put it down. It's on. Ooh, so happy, so happy. Okay, why are you taking so long? Come on. Woo, okay. I'm gonna hide my password. Okay, it's up and it's up and it's up. Okay, so I'm gonna screw everything back on and let it drain to 10% and then recharge it. And let's see what happens. Okay, I am ready to pop it back down. Okay, I'm supposed to like make sure that part's flushed, and then supposedly it should just pop right back in place. That's not good. I think my battery is too close to this edge and it's having difficulties going back in these things. So I'm gonna see if I can force it back down, and hopefully I can. Okay. Oh my goodness. I thought this was never going back in. I'm going crazy here. Okay, so back in. Back in. It's all back in one piece. Have I warped it? Did I warp it? It looks like it's a little bit bent. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it back on. That was a nightmare. I thought I was never getting that closed. I thought my batteries were too... I thought the battery was too close to the edge and I couldn't get the top back on. Okay, I forgot one thing. I forgot to put this screw back in because I was so nervous about not being able to put that back in. So, okay, here we go. I'm gonna put this back in. This is definitely a fun process, but it's also, I shouldn't say but, it is nerve-wracking because although I know it's an old phone and it's a broken phone, and I don't use it anymore, but I just wanted to see if it works. I thought I was gonna fail like at the last moment, even after all that. So, but yeah, I'm so happy my phone is backing up, and it looks like it's just fine. Oh my goodness. I didn't think this phone would still have life in it, but I'm so happy I bought this kit, and I'm so happy I tried just doing this, because I've always thought about like fixing things like in the house. There's a water leak and I wanted to try it, but my mom's like, no, don't try it, you're gonna break everything. And this is something small, and I thought I would do this as a little challenge for myself. When you have challenges and you have things that you have to face, it might not be the worst thing that you fear, but something else might make it worse. But you just have to kind of keep trying at it and get it done, and hope for the best. This has been an awesome experience of trying something new and pushing myself out of my comfort zone. Thanks for watching, if you watch all the way to the end, and please subscribe and support my channel. I would really appreciate it if you would like my video, and if you like these kind of videos, I will continue to make them. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.